how to control your camera with your AirPods. For that, you need to connect your AirPods with your iPhone and make sure you wire your earphone to your ear. So you need to put it to your ear, and once you put it to your ear, if you open up your camera, if you press like that, this button like that, on press, let's check it, on press, then you can see it's take a photo. And if you go to your video option, if you press on this like that, like on press, soft on press, then you can see your record is start, and if you press again, then your video will be stop. So you can customize this setting as well. For that, you need to go your setting, and from here go AirPods, and from here you can see the camera control. Press on camera control. Now you can customize it, press and hold and press on, and if you want to turn off, then simply turn off, then your AirPods not working for your camera. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.